DT-GEO is developing components for a digital twin on geophysical extremes, and this includes earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, and anthropogenic induced extremes. And the idea is that we want to couple and integrate all these components into the Destination Earth initiative. Destination Earth is probably the largest initiative that we have for geosciences in Europe right now, and it's a long-term ambition that wants to deploy operationally a digital twin of the Earth, and that includes the atmosphere, the ocean, extremes for geophysics, and other digital twins, all running together and coupled.
We have a large consortium, and that's actually the idea, that there are many different types of institutions involved, both from the geosciences world and the HPC world, private and public, and that's a bit the idea of these European projects, because we want to involve as many diverse partners to really have an impact on different layers of the society.
We are on the beginning of starting to test the workflows. So I think we've done quite a big step forward, because we've been able to connect the data lakes and some field observation instrumentation directly with the actual processing and hardware. And the other point that I think should be that I think it's important under my view is that what we are developing is going to be independent of the hardware. So we can actually run these things in the cloud, or we can run these things in supercomputer systems. So I think that's where we are right now.
Every time we meet face-to-face, we have the feeling that we have achieved a lot of our goals. It's a good opportunity for everyone. Malaga, one of our partners is the University of Malaga, and that's why we're here today. Always we choose a venue in which one of our partners is somehow based, and we are very happy to be here today in this sunny day.
It's really important for us, from the University of Malaga, to host this event here. We're a research group that is a reference in tsunami modeling. We have the Mediterranean Sea here in front of us, and we have also risks of tsunamis, because we have a seismic activity. So for us, it's a pleasure, and also it's very important to host this meeting in the University of Malaga. It's really important to join all the people or researchers to talk jointly and in person in a place for a couple of days at least, because we are doing all the time virtual meetings, but it's not the same at all.